This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Welcome to the Bellhaven model by Wetherington Homes in the Reserve at Cedar Point. Brand new homes tucked inside a beautifully established golf and country club community. This gorgeous home offers plenty of flexibility for today's lifestyles. Spacious floor plan and carefully curated designer options included. The moment you enter, you'll enjoy how well appointed this home is. Inviting foyer and open dining room. Large kitchen west/butler's pantry. Open dining nook and living area facing rear yard. First floor office. Owner's suite has a huge closet. Loft is a great bonus space. So many options to make it your own. Other floor plans available. May 13, 2024. For more information, review the details below.